Hi, friends! Today I am sharing sweet, simple ideas for a princess celebration, perfect for your little one's special day. Let us make it kind, cozy, and full of sparkle. First, the welcome. I say, "Hello, princess," with a big smile and a tiny bow. Soft crown station, felt or paper. Stickers, safe glue. Grown-ups can help. Dreamy castle photos to print as decor. Next, dress-up magic. Twirly ribbons, capes, pretend pearls. Everyone can be royal. Princess videos, castle videos, sparkle videos. Story time, a calm tale about a brave, kind princess. Practice, please. Thank you. Your turn. Crowns shine brightest when hearts are kind. Tiny treats, fruit wands, grapes, star-shaped melon, cupcake parade with pastel sprinkles, paper cups with golden stickers for royal sips, games, royal freeze dance with soft, royalty-free music, tiptoe like a mouse, glide like a swan, freeze, treasure hunt, give a high five, share a toy, say something nice, craft time, paper straws, ribbon, big foam stars, shake, sparkle, and make a wish for someone else. Photo moment, castle backdrop on screen or print, cushion throne and gentle smiles, big finish, sing soft happy birthday, clap quietly, royal thank you wave. The best princess magic is kindness, sharing, and big brave feelings. Have a beautiful celebration, little royals. Bye-bye. See you soon.